Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am playing this game called Admin Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. OMG. 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 Oh my gosh. No. I have to say OMG, OMG, OMG. What? Charmy.
Hey, Teresa.
Oh my gosh. It's a Charmy, not Leah. And I am so dumb, guys. I am such a dumb. Okay.
Yeah, you're so dumb.
I know. Okay, so we are playing this game called Admin something, right? Admin Hangout. Yeah, it's called
50K admin hangout.
Yeah, 50K admin hangout. This is so fun. Like, look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, look.
We both killed each other at the same time.
I know, right? Okay.
Hi.
I'm gonna just be like IK. By the way, guys, before we did this video, we saw our hacker called Forever Young. Like, oh my gosh. And I think we look great together. Like, I mean, like, as a friend. So, I think we look...
She's talking about a boyfriend.
No!
The hacker's kind of nice, you know?
Yeah, he isn't mean. Usually hackers are like, oh my gosh, you are so noob and stuff. But like, I said hello and he said hello.
And then like you said nice hair, and then he's like thanks.
Oh my gosh, I'm on the plane. I'm gonna drop. Whee! Okay.
Hey, guess what?
What?
I'm gonna turn into now. Just guess.
What?
Which YouTuber am I gonna turn in? Its name starts with the F.
Flamingo.
No.
What? Fla-la-la.
No.
What is it?
It's a celebrity.
F. Finest. No. I don't know.
No.
Oh my gosh.
It ends with the F. It ends with the F.
Pink leaf.
No. The F is like a little bit fat.
Charmy. Tack.
Builderman's friend.
Oh. Ooh, someone joined. Ooh, he's tough. He's buff. He's a police.
I have an idea.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Demon me. What? Who did you fat to? Who did you fat? Oh my god.
Fat now.
Oh my gosh. No.
I'm gonna chart into my favorite YouTuber.
What?
I'm gonna chart into my favorite YouTuber.
Okay.
You don't know who it is.
I know.
No.
It's Inquisitor Master. Oh, what? This is not me.
No, it's not.
What? A Charlie?
What do you mean it's Inquisitor Master?
You. Me?
No.
You?
No.
I just said Inquisitor Master.
Look, Inquisitor Master's butt is thick. Look.
Oh my gosh.
He's Get away from me, you noob.
Oh, ha, ha. He's getting me! Ah! I spelled sword wrong.
Ha! Nailed it!
I don't even know how to spell sword. Oh. Ah, come here!
He spelled my name wrong.
Ha! That's what you get for... That's what you... I saved your life! I saved your life and you killed me? I guess this is a battle. Yeah, ka ka ka. How dare you? I can't even. No more killing!
I just killed him.
We can only kill with sword. Why can't I kill? Yay.
Hey, I'm Grayfinny.
Who is Grayfinny?
It's a YouTuber. You're gonna upset him if you don't know
Oh,
who
okay.
he is.
Oh my gosh, Grayfinny! I'm your biggest fan.
It's Grayfinny, not Griffiny. Not a griffin.
Wait, I'm gonna search it because I feel like that's a
What
nice.
if I do
Charmy
Charmy iCarly?
icon. Try it. Oh my gosh. Charmy iCarly.
I know. Oh my god, look at me!
You was gonna sing the iCarly song and then you was like.
I know. You died. And Charmy, Sam, and Cat.
Sam and Cat.
Oh my god!
Not anymore. Why can't I kill her there?
Hey, we wanted to show you guys something. It's about Charlie.
What is it now?
Can
Ooh,
you stop with me? Please!
because I'm bored.
Turn into Charlie.
Okay. Hello.
Who the heck am I?
You are a bacon. Charlie is so cute. I like her mask.
Yeah, you and Bella said that I was disgusting, and Bella sounds like Charlie.
I know, right?
You're gonna be fat.
Yes. 'Cause you are.
Stop! I hate you.
Charlie is gonna fight this dude. And this. Oh, Yeah. Ha ha ha. They're gonna kill me. There's only one XD, Ike.
What?
There's only one XD. Not
No.
XD, it's XD. Mama! He's gonna kill me! I'll kill you before you kill me. I don't like this dude. Oh, no.
Teresa, come.
What?
Let's show the fans what we need. Come on. Turn into Charlie.
Okay, wait.
Stop! I said... I hate that guy.
Wait, our old teacher is Daniel.
Yeah. Come on, come near me.
Oh my god.
Come in front of me.
Oh my gosh. What did you do? Oh my gosh.
Come.
Okay, wait.
We're gonna show the people something.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna unfly. Oof.
Come in front of me.
What do you mean?
Come in front of me. In front.
Oh, okay, wait. Huh. That's what you get. Wait.
You're gonna type kill imagine, aren't you?
No, I'm doing kill Daniel. I mean, not kill Daniel. Look at us. Charmy.
I said face my way. Like we're talking.
Oh, okay. Mwah.
Hey, there could be only one Charlie.
Hmm. This dude is being mean to me.
Can you TP me to you? I'm stuck.
No, don't.
I'm stuck.
Wait. Fine, just TP me.
Okay. Oh, hi.
Hi. Oh, he's naked. Ew.
Guys, I'm trying to sound like Charlie right now because Bella said like if you do your throat like really light, you could sound like Charlie. So let me try it.
I am stuck. Oh my gosh. BRB, guys. Okay, we're gonna have to end this video, so,
Bye guys, there could be only one Charlie.
yes, One Charli it is.